ever wanted to export a Gemini chat to Word without manually copying and pasting everything? In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to export Gemini responses to Microsoft Word, including how to save a single response or an entire Gemini conversation. Let's start with the first method, using the export option already built into Gemini. Find a response you want to save, then click the 3-dot menu just below it. From here, choose Export to Docs. Give it a moment, and Gemini will create a Google Docs file for you. Once the file is successfully created, click Open Docs. You will be taken to the Google Docs interface, and you will see the Gemini result there. To export to Word, go to File. Choose Download, and select Microsoft Word. Now open the downloaded file, and your Gemini response is ready in Word. This works well if you only need one answer. But if your conversation is long, there's one problem. You have to repeat the same process for every response. So, if you want to export the entire Gemini chat to Word at once, the second method is more convenient. Start by opening Chrome Web Store and search for AI Chat Exporter Backrun. You can access the extension link in the video description. Select this extension. Then click Add to Chrome. After the installation is finished, go back to Gemini and reload the page. You should now see new export buttons in the upper right corner of the page, as well as below Gemini's responses. To save the full conversation, click the Word Export button in the upper right corner. The extension will create a Word file containing the entire chat. Open the file, and you can see that both your prompts and Gemini's answers have been included. The original structure is also preserved, so headings, lists, math equations, and other formatting still look clean in Word. This is especially useful when you want to save a long conversation without exporting each response one by one. Now, there's one more option. If you don't want the whole conversation and only need Gemini's answer, go back to Gemini and open the extension settings. Turn on single response downloads. Then, select the Export to Word button again. When you open the file this time, you'll see only Gemini's answer, without the rest of the conversation. And that's how you can export Gemini chat to Word while keeping the content organized and properly formatted. Next, watch this video to learn how to copy equation from ChatGPT to Word.